All right, Bob, I'm going to make this special video just for you. And it's currently set at 300 degrees, and my needle has not moved yet, but the pot is very, very warm. I'm going to zoom in here, and hopefully we can get down to the meter, because like I said, I don't use these things very often. Where are we at here? So that's those are volts. Let's see. Let's go ahead and amps. Right now it's pulling 6.76 amps. Let's see, watt. Right now it's pulling 788 watts at 60 hertz. And my kilowatts an hour, just started it. It's 0.02. I literally just reset it a second ago, so it's clearly gonna pull some. I'll take a measurement of this a couple times, but mostly at the end, I think. So I think we'll just keep it on watts for right now. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Hopefully that answers all your questions. But hey, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. Hopefully this thing will work. At worst case scenario, I'll just fire the stove up and we'll keep going. But I got to get it up to pressure. I'm doing it really slowly. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.